2 mile out of the back?
What?
This hike is a 2 mile out and back. Oh, so 1 mile there, 1 mile back.
Yeah, it is a strenuous hike. Only if you have like me, like breathing issues.
Okay.
It's a pretty good drop in elevation. I don't know which way we go.
Well, let's see what's over here first. Hi. Oh, do you want to go out and get it?
No, I'm at home. I had them sitting for our last hike. And we didn't go. I brought them upstairs.
Oh, okay.
Pardon me.
Sorry.
Vikings home. That's where we're going.
Where?
Vikings home.
Okay. 1 mile, that's it?
Yeah.
It's a short one.
Yeah, I know.
I guess the thing is coming back up.
Yes.
This is the second use of the whole hiking bag.
Yeah,
Well,
it
the
looks
first
nice.
official hiking bag anyway.
It looks good. I'm gonna have to get one for myself.
I thought you got one.
No, I got us one.
I
But I
thought
think with all the camera gear, I'd like to have one where I can carry a water bottle and
there's
all my
water
own
bottle in here.
Yeah, I'd like to have my own.
Okay.
I'm gonna order one for our next alley.
Okay.
Little baby stream, little baby waterfall.
Oh, it's so pretty up here, so quiet too.
Yeah.
So that's Lake Tahoe over there.
Yeah. It's all Lake Tahoe. This is just a bay. Just a small bay of the whole lake. But it looks like a lake in and of itself, right?
Yeah.
Like it's probably the size of Donner Lake.
Wow.
Or close to it.
Yeah, it is. Well, it's a bit smaller, you
A
think?
bit smaller, yeah, it is. You're right. It is actually probably only half or a third of the size. But
Yeah.
still pretty good
It is
size.
nice though.
Water rushing. Look, the water tank's like overflowing down there. So much water coming. You see how it's coming
Yeah,
out of
yeah. Why is there a water tank down there anyway?
Well, it has to supply the Vikings home with water. I think there's people that live down here, like that are caretakers. They kind of like trick you on the parking a little bit. So you can pay $3 for 1 hour, right? You can't stack hours. So you can buy a 1 hour pass or a full day pass for $10. So knowing that we're going to be here 2 to 3 hours or however long,
You have to buy a full day
you
pass.
have to buy a full day pass.
Bunch of crooks.
There is a senior pass, but I don't think you qualify for that yet.
Wow.
That's good.
You should ask if there's a veteran discount.
I looked on there to see if there was any. It was seniors and disabled people got discounts. No veteran. It's a very old school program.
Okay. I have to have a chat with them about that. Oh, people are going out on boats over there.
That's what I told you. You can take a boat to the tea island. There's the tea house on top. It's not really very big, obviously.
So how do you get to the boat area?
That's where we're going.
Oh, so this curves around?
It should. I mean, if we're on the right track here.
Okay.
I think we are. I would have thought it would have gone down that way a little, but it does say a mile, so if not, I guess we're taking another hike. Yeah, because we're supposed to end up over there.
Okay.
So I guess we'll see.
Oh.
Little baby fall.
Yeah.
Cute.
There's so much water over here. So how big do you figure is this lake? Is Lake Tahoe?
How big is it?
Yeah.
You mean like miles wide?
Yeah. How much water is in there and all that
1
stuff?
mile wide. How
Wow.
much water?
Probably get a lot of water.
I don't know I don't know how they obviously they take the width, the depth, and the length, and they get an idea. But it's different depths all over the place. And it's really deep lake. It's like a mile deep or something like that.
Okay.
No, that can't be right. It's not a mile deep. It's a mile wide, and then it's like, I don't know, very, very, very deep. Scary.
All these water just running into the lake from the snow melt off.
Yeah. There's definitely things living in this lake that we've probably never seen with our eyes before.
Maybe they have like a Loch Ness monster or similar thing living in here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like something that's never been seen by human eyes.
There's some big redwoods, aren't they?
I don't think those are redwoods. Well, I don't know. Is there a plaque right there? Oh no, it's just the rock.
Looks like they are. It's huge.
I would say it's like pine, maybe. Or, that looks like a redwood.
Yeah, that's definitely a redwood.
Look at the dimension in these trees. Oh wow! Take your glasses off.
The sun is in my eyes now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice.
See, it goes around.
Yeah, it wraps right there. There's all the geese. You hear them?
Yep.
I can't remember what it was. They had some sort of they had to do like a clearing of the geese. It got so taken over. They're probably making those noises because that boat got over there.
Oh, okay.
So they're like, get off our island. They started biting people, are very territorial, and
What?
yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm sure we'll see something down here about it because it was like a big deal.
Don't they know humans were here second?
Huh?
Don't they know humans were here second?
Exactly.
It's gonna be hell to hike back up here.
At least it's pretty gradual.
Yes, it's not like
Straight up.
straight up, yeah.
It might burn a little bit.
And the first time I came to Lake Tahoe, I was doing a contract job with a pilot, and we drove somewhere over here to go hiking. And I don't know where we went, but I can see the lake. And I took some pictures and I sent it to you.
Oh yeah, I think you guys were up towards Incline, weren't you?
Somewhere up there. We had landed in Nevada or somewhere like that. So we just decided to take the car and drive over here.
Yeah, because I remember that you came up the back way like Mount Rose, the way that we went down the last time.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi, morning.
And I think it was the top of Incline, like where we stopped.
Mhm.
That way with the Sorrento, we did a run. Morning.
Morning. Oh, sorry.
No worries.
Sun feels good on this side.
It does.
Is that like a private boat or?
Probably, yeah.
Uh,
Like I said, I think there's people that live down here, a couple people that live down here, and then, like caretakers maybe, or maybe they're part of the family, or I don't know.
I see why it's called Incline Lake.
Incline?
Yeah.
No, this is Emerald Bay. Incline is the other side I was talking about. When you guys landed in Nevada, you probably drove up the back of Mount Rose.
Oh, okay.
That's the quickest way to get to Tahoe. And you end up in Incline Village or that area. Or did it say Incline Lake somewhere?
No, I just figured that's what it is. I know I said that because of we going down.
Oh, the incline.
Yeah.
I don't know why water runoff is so fun to watch. It's ever changing. We could just go back up that way if you want. When we
It's fine.
no,
Yeah. Oh, this one sounds like it's Russian.
it's a rusher. Look, it even has its own little beach.
Wow. You see, I see any fish in there.
Tiny little plant ecosystem right here. There's
Yep.
like 5, 6, 7 different plants all in that little tiny area. That's crazy.
That's nice though.
Yeah, it is. There's a bunch of living beings just enjoying life right there. Some that stop in for a little snack of other living beings, and some that are there long term. Imagine doing, wow, that one's really pounding.
Yeah.
Imagine doing this hike now
Yeah.
with a bunch of like 5th graders or 6th graders.
Wow, this is a big one.
I think it's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see.
cold?
It's like snow. Literal snow. Slippery.
Yeah. Good morning.
They're not that far, but I can hear them puffing and puffing around.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I don't know why I'm so excited for you to see this whole thing. There's just something special about it. Like when you get down here, it's like, whoa.
You can just
Maybe that was my kid eyes. We're gonna get down here and you're gonna be like, oh, this is like not that exciting.
just be fine.
Let's see. Welcome to Emerald Bay State Park. I don't know what goes that way. I think we're supposed to go that way.
No, that's service road
Yeah,
or
it's
public
like
amenities.
Visitor Center is this way.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
What's this?
The Rubicon Trail. Oh yeah, we should look at the history of this.
The Rubicon Trail wraps around Emerald Bay, stretching from Emerald Bay State Park to DL Bliss State Park. Adventure awaits on hiking along this rugged shoreline. Wow.
Yeah, so let's see. The old lighthouse. We can do like this whole. It's just like a full trail.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, we're way over here.
Yep.
That's pretty far. That's a long
That's
trail.
on the other side of the lake, yeah.
Jeez, wow. Okay, well we're gonna check out this area then.
Oh wait, so how come they paved down here, but not the rest of it?
Well, there's clearly working.
Huh.
Oh no, I don't know. That is kind of weird, right?
Yeah.
There's probably a back road in here. Like a
Yeah.
paved road for just cars. They just want to make it difficult. Are these flowers or berries? Oh, flowers. Oh, they're so
Yeah.
pretty.
They're flowers.
They're delicate.
Oh, there's a trick right. You want to go through here?
You want to go that way?
Let's see.
Okay.
Well, it looks like people are going this way.
Can't
It's
even
not.
just take the
We're gonna
regular
go right
route.
there. We're gonna end up.
Jeez, man. I can't
What?
even just take the route that's like meant to be from the beginning. I love that about you, babe. This is how trucking kids do it, off-roading.
Yeah.
Sure, there's a shortcut through the woods. Who cares what we might encounter? Just go for it.
Wow, look at the size of this thing.
You could do that.
Or you can do that too. I wonder if that's someone's private cabin over there.
No, I mean, you didn't take the route that explains everything. You just cut right through. It's okay.
It's right here.
This isn't the thing. It's fine. This is the beach. Little campsite areas are a little creepy. It's nice. Ooh, we made it to the water.
Emerald Bay Nature's Ice Sculpture.
Cascade Lake.
Wow.
That's it. That's the one that's on the other side. Over the mountain that we were looking at.
Yeah. Oh, there's more stuff that goes all the way up there. Oh, no, I'm not gonna go over there. Wow, the water is so clear.
Maybe we can go this way.
Okay. What?
Nothing.
Why? Because everyone is on the path right here?
Just let you lead the way.
Okay. Oh, that's a big tree.
Yeah.
Area closed for plant rehabilitation.
A little baby squirrel. Oh, so cute. Lots of birds.
Yeah.
You can hear that fall up there. Huh?
Yeah.
The waterfall?
You can hear it.
It's over here.
There's some big trees in here.
Yeah. I think their bark is so cool. Massive, right? It's like just right? So pretty.
This thing is probably like 3,000 years old. Holy moly.
And it's only one.
Yep.
It's only one amongst all of the billions around here. There it is.
Waterfalls. Wanna go see it?
Do you want to walk over there? It's fine.
Where's it at? I don't see it.
Right through the trees right there. Here, let's go. Might be able to get right up on it. Oh, they have bathrooms here.
Where are we at?
Might not be able to see it from here.
No. Oof.
Stinky.
Yeah, I don't think we can see it.
No. Ugh, it smells like
Huh?
Let's go. Let's go this way.
Mhm.
Yes, I think something
If we see a private property, no trespassing sign, then
Yeah. I don't remember. Probably all the caretakers.
there's a propane tank.
Huh?
There's a propane tank. Yes, they had to stop people from cutting through there.
Oh, it says closed for the season. Wait, this is the biking zone. Oh, this is staff housing. Okay, that's what I thought. I'm like, this is not what I remember. Okay, staff housing. So that's their world. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
See, and then they probably do tours out to the. Oh, this is it. Wait, let's walk around here. Unless the big house also has that.
There's another house over there too.
Yeah, I was like 5th grade.
It's like a, I don't know, Stone Age arrangement.
Courtyard type
Yeah.
situation. Yeah, this is where we're at, right?
Yep.
This is the biking zone. So when you look in the windows, they probably aren't doing any tours, obviously. It's close for the season, but when we were kids, when they weren't doing tours, we just look in the windows, you can see all the old furniture. Yeah, see all the old furniture
Yep.
and the lace curtains. Keep walking around this side. I think this is the front. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it is.
Look in all the doors. That sucks. Tours. Oh, it starts next weekend. The tours start.
Oh,
Dang. Memorial Day. Oh no, that's the end of the month, right? Oh yeah. Is it
she's reliving her childhood memories. I said you were reliving your childhood memories.
It's cool. Except for we got to go inside and do a tour. Oh, this is a nice room. Your dining room. Peaks up there.
Huh?
Peaks.
Oh yeah.
So high, right?
That is
Well, there's a whole lake on the other side of there, so I
Yeah.
guess it has to be high.
it's insane.
Do you want to continue down that side?
Oh yeah, let's see what's on that side, and we're gonna turn around.
We can also hang out down here for a little while if you want.
Okay.
It's nice and quiet. I know, maybe find some shade.
Yeah.
They have the perfect table.
Maybe I can pull a rank and get them to. What?
No. Dumb. I did that the last time too.
Do you want this one?
No,
Why
I'm
not?
just making a complaint about myself.
Okay.
Go inland or
Yeah,
stay on the
inland.
beach?
Want to stay away from the kids over there.
Okay. Definitely don't want kids in bikinis on your video.
Nope.
Isn't that a cool place?
It is. It's a really nice place.
How come you didn't look in any of the windows?
Because you can't see anything.
You can. You can see all the old everything.
Okay, it also has a really nice backdrop, doesn't it?
It is really neat, right?
It is really neat, yeah. I could see how your 2-year-old mind can be fascinated by this place.
Oh, great. Thank you. 2-year-old mind.
What?
I was like 5th or 6th grade.
Oh, fifth. I say, oh, sorry.
Yeah, that's like, 9.
Okay.
9 or 10. 8, 9, 10, somewhere around there.
Okay.
Oh, it ends right there anyway. Can't go any further.
Oh.
I wonder if those are going to be like lilies that come up right there. They're like, we're ready to bloom.
She has a visitor center.
Tour tickets, Eagle Falls Trailhead. You want to check that out?
Yeah. Then we can just make a U-turn and come back
Yeah.
around. How come I haven't seen any bears yet?
Deer?
Bear. They have all these bear trash can thing.
Oh, well, they usually don't come out as often when people are here, I would imagine. They like to come out at night when it's cold. It's quiet. Look, they totally padlock all the windows.
Wow. Emerald Bay down there. Oh, you can go diving too.
Oh, that's cool. What an experience.
Yeah.
Gotta make sure you don't have any problems with your teeth because that pressure will get you. Oh, look, we're coming right up to the falls.
Isn't that where we were?
No.
Oh, so we can go back there and go back that way.
Yeah, well, we can probably, I guess, I don't know, wrap around. I think this is the trailhead to the falls. Look, there's a bridge right there.
Oh, I can
Go
see the
up
water.
a little bit if you want. Oh, look at that tree.
Oh. Gotta go check it out, of course. Wow, it's hollowed out by fire.
Morning.
Morning. Wow. It's nice. Why don't you want to go up?
Because it looks cool when you come up and just like do a little feature. Not my foot.
Oh, I could edit that part out. Oh, look.
Oh, cool. They came from the Lake Tahoe airport. Another little thing.
Yeah.
Hey, it's Spirit Airlines.
Oh, wow, that's mean. Hi. Morning. Morning.
Make pictures of the waterfall.
What's that?
You can make pictures of the waterfall.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
It's good right now?
It's the nicest.
Oh, very
Oh.
good. We will enjoy. Thank you.
Yeah.
You can make pictures of the water.
Unless you want a paddleboard. If you really want to drive up farther up around the lake,
Yeah, take the dogs there.
okay, yeah, okay, we can do that.
Sorry.
It's okay. Take your time.
So pretty up there.
It's so pretty out
Old person
here.
coming through.
Huh?
Old person coming through.
We're also old.
We're old too.
Have a good day.
Have a great day.
Wow. Home.
I can feel it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is like the mist trail in Yosemite. On the mist trail,
Uh-huh.
like 4 times the size, and you're climbing upstairs along the side of the waterfall. Ooh, it feels good.
Does.
That's how I really like it. Oh, look, way up there.
Yeah. Wow.
Like it?
Yeah. Looks like Spirit too. Wow, you have a different view from this side too.
Right? Really cool. Yay!
Yeah, we made it. Hi. It's definitely worth a hike. Imagine how many years it took for that stone to be rolled down here.
Scale logs like a jaguar.
Yeah, I know. I can attest to that.
Good one. See?
I'm definitely leaving that in.
That's really funny.
What? What? Oh! Some ants are biting me
Yes.
from the tree. Wanna do the sun one?
Oh, whichever. It doesn't matter to me. I can sit in this. You never know, my love.
You wanna follow the road or just cut through?
Cut through. But I want to walk up to these windows on this home and peek inside. And then we can just cut through on the side of the house.
Yep.
This is the old Vikings home. They open for tourists on Memorial Day weekend. through September, I think. Built from love and a dream. This is their dining room over here. Why is everybody out there?
I don't know.
It's just
Fishing, anyone?
we saw some.
Metal.
There. Look at the tree. See, this is how people get lost.
Up here. The little right.
That big tree.
Yep.
Here, you wanna go, Henry?
Okay. Oh, the trek up starts. I saw the trek up.
Oh, yeah. It is a little trek.
You're gonna beat me on this one.
I don't think so. I can feel that the air is so much thinner up here.
That was a hell of a hike back
Oh,
up there.
jeez, yeah. No, I had turned it back on. Okay, high five.
Good
Nice
job.
job.
In the Rubicon Trail, we were at the Emerald Bay, and oh my goodness, it was a pain in the ass to get back up there. But it's really, really nice though. The Lake Tahoe, I think. This is my first time coming down to see it, and it's really, really great. So I definitely recommend you guys come on down and do it if you have time. It's a really nice area, and once again, California the beautiful. It never fails. Look at that. Look at that. Here's a beautiful park. It's a really beautiful park.